si vous avez déjà vu une vue aussi belle que celle-là. C'est compliqué. Alors par contre, les chemins, ils sont ouf. Alors ici en fait, Ryan, il cultive le riz avec sa famille. Et du coup, il va nous faire visiter sa parcelle où il n'a rien planté cette année à cause du Covid. Et du coup, hop, c'est parti pour la découverte des rizières.
Yeah.
Donc aujourd'hui, on est avec notre ami Poutou.
Wayan.
Wayan. Wayan is the first? The two? One? Wayan.
Name Wayan, yeah. From Tegalalang.
Okay.
Yeah.
Parce que tous les Indonésiens ont le premier prénom qui s'appelle Poutou.
Poutou.
So,
Wayan. My name Wayan.
Wayan.
Made.
The second one.
Made.
Mate.
And 3 Nyoman. And 4 Ketut.
Okay.
There we. Me Wayan.
Wayan. The second one, children.
No, one. First.
Okay.
Wayan, Poutou, Sam.
Okay.
Wayan, Made,
Mate.
Nyoman, Ketut.
So what's the impact of the COVID for the rice?
Pardon?
Don't worry, don't worry.
The impact of the COVID.
There is less.
Oh, very.
Très.
Oui. No good.
No
COVID, no good. Bankrupt me.
Bankrupt.
We not tourists come here in rice terrace here.
Route.
Non, bankrupt, c'est-à-dire pas d'argent.
No have money.
Okay.
We not tourists come here.
Yeah. No COVID there. No COVID.
No.
No. And how we made rice?
From the
How we made rice? The fabrication of rice.
for the consumption.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We me consumption.
Yeah.
Sometimes me sell rice in supermarket here.
So, oh no,
Yeah.
no.
No.
How do you made?
They made. They put some herb.
To make some rice, what do you need? You need plantation, water.
Plantation.
Yeah. To do the plantation, what do you need? How many months the rice?
Oh,
can-
yeah. In rice here in one year just
Yeah.
2 times.
2 times
Me
you
plant
can,
the rice.
Yeah.
But me plant the rice here the Balinese rice.
Yeah. It's only for Balinese rice.
Only Balinese rice, but it's the good rice, special rice.
And what month water come down on the rice? And what month?
From there.
Yeah. And in July, September.
Oh, July.
In July.
July.
Donc si vous venez en juillet, bah, il y aura plein d'eau, il n'y aura pas de riz. And we can see rice only in this month.
Yeah.
May and June.
Yeah, May,
Yeah.
June.
Directly you planting in your
Yeah,
rice.
yeah, like that one.
How ton of rice? Very.
Me, I have the one area like that one.
Yeah.
But here the area have the 10 family.
10 family
all
for
them there.
all them.
10 family, just one family normal have the maybe the 250 kilogram rice.
Donc il y a 250 000 kilos
Yeah, we. Maybe two
par famille. Et il y a
Yeah.
10 familles du coup qui peuvent s'installer
maybe
là.
the 200 kilogram.
Wow.
And very good rice 250 260.
And you said that the water is very important for the rice, and water is very sacred in Bali.
Yeah, very
Sacred.
sacred. Yeah, water.
You don't swim in the
Water?
yeah.
Oh no, here
No.
not water.
No, no in the rice.
And the rest no. Yeah. Just the duck.
Duck.
Duck. Yeah, animal. Yeah.
Animal. The duck.
The duck.
I'm too hot. I gonna take a swim. Yeah. I won't.
You want swimming?
Yeah.
I play in the coffee.
J'ai niqué mes pompes. Putain, le mec il marche pieds nus lui. Et quand il y a des touristes, ils aménagent le terrain, donc là c'est vraiment à l'aventure. Putain, pour marcher c'est horrible. Je vais vous filmer ça. You are not fatigué?
You have one word to say to Bali?
But
Nice word.
nice. Time from the
Wow. Ah, for
mosquito.
mosquito.
Can I take it on me?
Yeah, we. You want for the making tea? Yeah. Like that. Very good.
I don't like mosquito. And I will take it like that.
Yeah.
It's okay, no moustique?
It's the good rice.
Good.
Yeah. 1 year récolté 2 times. Same.
Same?
Same. Yes. Rice.
Rice. Allez les bleus!
Ah,
No? Closer? What are you
il a
doing?
dit qu'on y aille.
Là, we don't have.
Ils ont pas venu, on n'a pas de dents à vous donner. Oui, il va nous lancer un truc.
It's your friend?
Oh, it's not your friend?
You don't know him? Oh, I thought he was your brother.
Wesh. Je déteste la jungle. C'est pas possible. Oh! Ah, mais c'est...
Go there.
Alors là, il y a une piscine, les gars. La meilleure vue du monde, je crois. Wow.
Okay. Attention. Yeah.
Malheureusement, le riz ici est un peu en voie de disparition. C'est l'une des dernières grandes rizières comme celle-là. Vous en verrez pas trop, beaucoup. Parce qu'en fait, la plupart des gens du coup qui vivent à Bali vendent leur terrain, enfin louent leur terrain pour construire des maisons comme celle-là. Et du coup, il y a de moins en moins de rizières. Et justement, l'entreprise dans laquelle on travaille, eh ben, ils achètent ces terrains pour construire des maisons. Et donc, en fait, le riz devient de plus en plus rare à Bali. Donc là, c'est l'une des dernières réserves. Elle a été classée carrément réserve naturelle. Elle est même au patrimoine de l'UNESCO. Parce qu'elle est rare, il faut la préserver. Et franchement, c'est magnifique.
Animal, they eat the coffee cherries and they will choose the best quality of coffee.
Okay.
Yeah. After they eat and they pull it out, and then we take the pulp and we process for the luwak coffee.
And so it's a better coffee.
This animal?
The right one. Right one. Yeah, the best coffee.
Yeah.
Yes. They're sleeping.
Yeah, I think so.
So it's a special coffee. It's a Balinese special coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
More expensive coffee.
But it's better.
Yes, of course. Have you tried luwak coffee before?
No. So all of that are coffee and this one tea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Celui qu'on a pris, il est où?
Bali coffee here.
Celui-là.
This one?
This one.
After.
This one is which one there?
This
Oh
one.
no, this one is normal.
It's a-
Normal
Ah,
coffee.
Yeah.
Oh,
Gratis.
okay. Wait. No, it's not the...
Après.